Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Then press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the option called the other, and once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down, find the option called disconnect and reset, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, and it will start resetting your device. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.